right? And so you put those two together and you got Oledo, which is like a gold bangle or a gold bracelet, or like, I'm trying to think of like a good close enough English expression for it, but it just means like just basically like a precious, shiny, expensive gold bracelet, right? So it's deeper than just like the colloquial, you know, meaning of gold bracelet. It kind of has like a symbolic meaning, like it's something that everyone can see as I guess like a status symbol, you know what I'm saying? A symbol of wealth, right? So Oledo, it kind of just means like someone from like a rich family, or someone of high status, someone of like class, someone who can be seen and you know, someone that people admire, you know what I'm saying?